Hey, welcome back to Testa's Tuesday Tips. So today we're working on a water buffalo from Argentina. They're very similar to a Cape buffalo, and we were just talking about slight differences like the slenderer face, a little more lip, whatever it is. But I've probably made a million videos about ear liners, but I'm going to make one more again. When you go to your ear liner list and it doesn't say Argentinian water buffalo or Bantang or Gower ox, again, a lot of people focused on thinking it's got to list it or it's got to say it's just the way it is because of the way we have these catalogs. So they're basically what I'm getting at is there's not an ear liner available for this individual buffalo. So luckily, well, you can do two things. You can call Sunny Night and ask, what would you do, Sunny? Or if you have a stock like I do, again, I say it is an expense to keep a supply of ear liners available, but it sure comes in handy. So what I did was Matt and I talked about, wow, it looks similar to first I thought maybe a kudu. It was a little big, and then I thought, well, large mule deer was close, but a little bit small. So then we went to the moose, and the moose was not quite just right, but just right enough. And then we ended up doing what I always do. We pulled it out, the cartilage, used it for the pattern, and trimmed it down. And as you can see, man, it's just right. The thing you always hear, well, they're different, or every animal's different, and it's true. Every animal has its own little specifics, but if it's a buffalo, it's a buffalo. It's a bovine, so it's in the bovine family. So, it's just a matter of what size bovine is it, and it's that simple. So anyhow, that's it on the ear liner tip again. And I'm going to use whatever card size I have, ear card, whatever one fits in there. Probably these ones. Bam. Love these ear cards. Again, another little expense, but in the long run they save you time. And you got a perfect fit right here. It just sucks it right in nice and tight. And you use them over and over again. So anyway, thanks for tuning in to Testa's Tuesday Tips, and we'll see you next time.